To format a number, follow the steps shown on the screen. Let's follow these steps to format the numbers under the header Quantity. I first select all the cells below Quantity. Second, with the mouse cursor placed on the selected cells, I click the right button of the mouse. And from the floating menu, I select the option Format Cells. Third, I click the tab Number. Fourth, since I want to format numbers, from the category list I select Number. Fifth, I fix the decimal places to 1, and I check the box to tell Excel to use comma separators. As you can see, Excel shows how the number will look in the sample area. The negative numbers list is used to select a format for negative numbers. I select the red one enclosed by parentheses. Finally, I click OK. And the contents of the selected cells get formatted. You can also format numbers by using buttons under the Home tab. To do this, follow the 3 steps shown on the screen. Let's try these steps to format the number under the header Quantity. I first select all the cells below Quantity. Second, I select the Home tab. Third, I click the Increase Decimal button twice to add 2 decimal places to the numbers. We can see that the decimal places were added. To eliminate the decimal places, I click the Decrease Decimal button twice. As you can see, the numbers do not have decimals anymore. To add a comma separator, I click the button Comma Style, and the commas are immediately applied.